What the business is, YouTube, social media. It's Clarence over here at Pursuit of Freedom. Trying, okay. Got mute finally on my TV. Uh, every day ain't a green day. Every day ain't a green day. This one was a negative to the tune of just about what I made the other day on my last trade. So I ended up giving exactly back what I had in gains. Hey, this happens sometimes. This is what it is. 50% of 50% of your trades may end up being losses. And what's killing me right now is that this damn thing want to push higher now. Now that I gave in to the weakness, I could have got out 4 cents higher than I did. But that is very much so a part of this game. Jeff Bishop want to be in my video. But I don't want to just put out gains because that's not how this works. That is really not how this works. It's not all gonna be green. I had my absolute stop out down here at 75. I had a blackout area at 78, and I had a couple orders in at 78 to try to get out of this thing, and it wouldn't let me out. Kept refreshing my order. Kept refreshing my order. Oh, anyway, hold up. I'm in at 85, out at 76. So 9 cents, 720 shares. MICT. It did have some news, but like, okay, so the merged companies create substantial new growth. This is MICD and Brookfield Interactive Hong Kong Ltd signed a definitive acquisition agreement with Paragon EX, whatever that means. So the two companies merged. Global FinTech Holdings raised 23 point whatever million per share. Now look at this thing. Now this thing is climbing. So I just Warren Buffett say that the patient is who win. But sometimes patience just don't quite pay off. At least I could have got out at 82 with less of a loss because I got in at 85. This thing topped out on the day. Oh, you know what? I'm still holding these shares. I be forgetting to go ahead and sell my paper trading position as well. So I got a loss of 56. I think this loss was actually bigger than that. I got rid of so much today again. Well, no. I got rid of Etsy, Planet Fitness, and Walmart because I don't believe in just holding anything that's losing. And that was the case here. I felt like I was holding. This thing is coming down. It has a humongous gap. It's a shitty company. So you got to be careful. This thing has been falling off the tank. I'm not finna allow it to come all the way back down where it closed yesterday at 30 cents or whatever this area is. You know what I'm saying? So it closed down here at 31 cents. This is a big gap to cover. This is why I hate gaps, but it seems like the gappers have been some of the only stocks in play lately. There were a couple other choices out there, but my comfort zone, my niche is in this lower price stuff. The stock that I seen that I felt like I should have jumped all over was this NFEC. I made a paper trade in this thing near the top, near the highs. I don't know if that was this week, last week. Let me see. Let me go last 30 days. I got rid of a bunch of stuff. There, the NFEC. I got into this thing, you know what I'm saying? When it was upwards of $19, $20. Trying to see if I can spot it. There's one in. And then I sold it at 23 for 892 gains. So that gave me an idea that whatever this company is, This could have been a good buy. This thing moved up to the tune of $3. Canal over at Bulls on Wall Street hit me up in a darn message on Instagram. He said that I need to play bigger ranges. Canal is a millionaire. So I should have took the word of a millionaire mentor in this case. You know what I'm saying? And this thing had been it's been moving this morning. That my same little bit of change that I had in that stock could have grew to the tune of 30% as this thing is looking to go up. Now it's got a lot of room to cover. So next week, and it got down quickly to this level, which is now support. So I'm gonna change that color. See, and this is what you do. This is why that loss, the loss that I just took in this trade, don't really matter much to me. This is why this loss doesn't really matter that much, because next week is a new week. I don't know what the market's gonna look like Monday, but I will be eyeballing this stock here. I'm gonna put this on my currently stalking watch list. I'm gonna stalk this month. It fell off. This could be a dead cat bounce, or just a bounce, but see, it consolidated right here in this area of $8 for several days. So just that $4 movement is already 50%. And that should have been my trade of the day. I didn't notice it until I was in this MICT at 85 cents. Let me go back to MICT, see what it's doing now. Nope, that's MIT. So it's back down to 80 cents, and it's probably finna sell off. This is the type of movement that short sellers like to take over. This news, I don't know, it ain't the strongest news to me. I didn't read everything business to business, so they linked up. They raised 23 million at $1.65 per share. So I don't know, that sounds like they're using the stock to raise capital in that case. And these are always tough trades. It's beneath the VWAP, so I was looking to get out on a bounce, but it looked like it wasn't gonna get the bounce, and I wasn't finna let this thing get too much lower. It was already nearing the low of day, which was at 70 cents. So I felt like 75 would have to be an absolute stop. I got in at 85. That's a 10-cent range. At 700 shares, every penny is worth $7. 7 times 10 is $70. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I've been having 80, 90, $100 days. You know what I'm saying? I will get that back. This is Pursuit of Freedom. Holla at you.